Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're guiding you through the process of setting up recurring tasks in Zoho Project, an essential tool for managing your projects efficiently. First off, log into your Zoho Project account. It's important to be logged in so that you can access all your projects and tasks. Next up, navigate to the Tasks module situated on the top bar. This is where you'll find all your tasks and where you can create new ones. Now that we're here, let's create a new task. Click on the plus Add Task button, fill in your task details, and set the start and end dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho is making a record of your task so it can remind you when it's due. The reason we do this next step is to ensure your task repeats as required. So, head to the Repeat section and select On. This activates the recurring function, allowing you to set the frequency of the task. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a task to recur saves you from manually creating the same task multiple times. Your final step is to save your task. Click Add Task to finish. This helps us because it locks in your settings and ensures your task will recur as specified. And there you have it, a quick guide to using recurring tasks in Zoho Project. By following these steps, you'll streamline your task management and keep your project rolling smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.